Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Masika Ifuru. Today I am here to do a review and wear test and first impression on the new NARSLight Reflecting Foundation, and I'm in the shade Caracas with this one. I want to compare this NARS foundation to the new Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin foundation. So if you'd like to see how both of these foundations apply, how they hold up on my very oily skin for the entire day, please keep on watching. The NARSLight Reflecting Advanced Skincare Foundation. This foundation, of course, is a liquid in formula, has a natural finish. It's also good for dullness and uneven skin tone and texture. It has a medium coverage and it's good for redness and good for dark spots. I'm gonna get right into it, and like I said, I'm gonna go on the left side with this NARS, and I am in the shade Caracas. It does have the pump on this one. Oh, and that kind of came out a bit thick, but I am gonna use this one pump on this side of my face. Oh, and it feels really soft just upon touching the skin with it. This side doesn't have anything. This is the bare skin, and this is the side that has the NARS foundation, which is really beautiful. You see how quick and easy that blended out. Next I have the Charlotte Tilbury, and this is the Beautiful Skin foundation. I'm in the shade 11 Neutral with this one. And this comes in a tube like so. Really pretty. It's nice. And it does have a pump. Now I'm gonna go on this side. This is also a long wearing foundation with medium coverage. It does blur the pores as well, and it's loaded with skincare benefits. It's blending out so easily with very little effort. And I'm using my IT Cosmetics foundation brush to do the application on this side, as I didn't want to mix the products. That is so pretty as well. And you see how beautiful this Charlotte Tilbury applied on this side. Super beautiful. Also the side with the NARS, I feel like I can't really tell the difference on the sides. Like, they're both the same shade. I got the same coverage on both sides. It does give the same type of luminous natural finish, but it doesn't emphasize the pores at all. But both sides are blurred. Like, I don't see my pores on either side for now. And I'm gonna set my makeup off camera. Everything set really beautiful, and everything applied even really magnificent. As you see, when I applied, I used the NARS foundation on this side of my face, and it's just really seamless. I'm gonna zoom you in so you can see how lovely everything set. You see how seamless this is. You don't even see my pores, which is lovely, or fine lines. You don't see the marks on my face. I feel like I got a really seamless coverage from this NARS foundation, and it did set down really lovely to like natural skin. And with this side, I went in with my Charlotte Tilbury foundation, and as you see, it is just as lovely. All of the marks are covered. My pores is blurred. This is really lovely. I feel like both of these foundations applied really magnificent. But I mean, if I had to rate them both, I'd give them a perfect 10, of course, right now. I'm gonna be keeping these foundations on for the entire day, and then I'll come back later tonight. I'm at the 8-hour mark of wearing this foundation, and a natural shine is coming through. I've been wearing these foundations all day today, and this is the status of my face. Let me just zoom in. I am slightly dewy. I don't feel like this is bad at all. I feel like this is really, really beautiful still on both sides. You saw I went on this side with the NARS foundation on this side, and it's looking really, really beautiful. Like you can see by my mouth, there's no creasing at all. By my smile line, by my nose, there's no separation. By my under eye, there's no separation. Blush and highlighter is still all there, nothing rubbed off at all. I feel like this NARS foundation, not only did it apply beautiful, I feel like this NARS foundation wore really, really beautiful on my oily skin. I personally love NARS products. The NARS Soft Matte foundation is one of my favorite foundations. This foundation is blurring to large pores and imperfections on the skin, is also loaded with skincare benefits. It does brighten and improve skin upon using this foundation over time, and I feel like that's really, really lovely. I feel like that's what's been missing from most foundations. A lot of brands, I'm so happy that they're finally adding stuff that's good for our skin. So I am really happy. I'm really happy about the ingredients. I'm happy with the wear. I feel like this covered imperfections. Like I said, it did cover my dark spots, as it is really, really flawless. I was able to achieve a medium coverage from this with just one pump. I didn't even have to keep going over it with this one, and I feel like it's really, really beautiful. And 11, almost 12 hours later, I feel like this is really, really magnificent. I don't feel like my oils is too much. It just gives like a really, really pretty glow. This is really, really lovely. I feel like this is one of the foundations, if I did blot, it would come back. And with this Charlotte Tilbury foundation, the reason I wanted to compare it to this NARS foundation, I feel like they're very, very similar. I feel like they applied very similar. I feel like when I read the description on them, they both give the same type of description: smoothing, blurring pores, loaded with skincare benefits, a natural finish, which I feel like they both applied beautiful. I really honestly couldn't tell the difference. On this side where I use the Charlotte Tilbury foundation, I feel like this side is still really, really beautiful. Every single thing is in place. My blush is in place, my highlighter is still there, my bronzer, everything. Nothing rubbed off. My foundation didn't crease by the side of my mouth at all, as I do get creasing on the side of my mouth usually if the foundation isn't for me. But this one did not crease at all. I didn't get any separation by the nose, which is also really, really lovely, and I do look for that in foundations. This one did blur my pores. It did cover really, really lovely. I did use one pump, as you see at the beginning, and it did cover all of my imperfections. Overall, I would recommend either of these. Like I said, I feel like these are one of the same. I feel like they applied really, really beautiful, and the same. I feel like they wore the same. Like I said, I can't tell the difference on either side. I mean, if you can tell the difference, comment below and let me know what difference you saw with these two really, really beautiful new foundations. I feel like these have been released for about a month. The Charlotte Tilbury, I've been playing around with this one and loving it really off camera for a bit. That's what made me want to compare the NARS to this Charlotte Tilbury. Like I said, they're one of the same, and I will absolutely recommend it to all skin types. I feel like this would absolutely work for everyone. If there's anything that I didn't mention about both of these really beautiful, beautiful foundations, be sure to leave me a question in the comment section, and I'll be more than happy to respond. If you're new here, be sure to click my picture and subscribe to my channel, as I do look forward to bringing you more videos like these. Thank you so much for watching.